Yeah, what's up, guys? Look at this, guys. We are heading to our take profit. All right, causing so much pain, inflicting so much pain on stepping days right now, guys. All right, the VIPs are winning, guys. The VIPs are winning. Feel free to join us. I'm gonna be dropping the link to this group, our Telegram group, on the description of this post, guys. Join us and see how we kill the market. We already hit our take profits and we are heading towards the second take profit now. All right, a lot of testimonies, guys. A lot of testimonies. A lot of people are making money on the group. So join us, guys. It's very affordable to join our VIP channel. It's very affordable. Feel free to join this free group. I'm going to drop the link, like I said. And again, guys, do well to subscribe to this channel, guys. It's very important. Subscribe to the channel so you see how we run things, guys. All right, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make money, guys. How to make money using very powerful indicators and catching spikes and scalping the market and making money from boom and crash market like a pro. Stay tuned, guys. Before I go into this, I want you to do me a favor. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you get updated whenever I post new strategies. So it's very fast. We don't want to waste any time. So these are the two indicators we'll be needing for this video. I'll be showing you guys how to catch spikes like a pro and how to scalp the market without getting caught by spikes. You'll make money, guys. This is it. This is the idea. I want everybody to make money, and let's get to it ASAP. So what you do first is just add your we are going to be needing our two indicators on the main chart. All right, we don't need anything on we don't need any indicator window. We're just going to need two moving averages on our main charts, and yeah, this is it. I'm going to show you guys how to set this up real quick. This is it. You just follow the setup right now. You can screenshot it. This video shouldn't be too long. You can screenshot it. See the setup period 21. The first one is period 21. Shift 0. Method exponential. Apply to close, and okay, you can leave this at 4 pixels so we see it clearly, right? So you go with that. You click done, and then you add the second one, right? The moving average too, right? This should be period 50. Yeah, this is the 50 period moving average. Shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Okay, you can change this and make sure your colors are always visible, guys. Make sure your colors are very visible on your screen. So you're done with that. You click done. You click done, guys. So okay, and we have it now. And the idea is very simple, guys. It's very simple. It's very simple. Now if you want to catch spikes, this is it. You want to make sure that you are on an uptrend. This is for boom, all the boom, boom 1000, boom 500, boom 300, and all of that. You want to make sure that you are in an uptrend, right? And in this case, the market is going downward, so you cannot be thinking of catching spikes here. All right, so I'll just simply okay, let me see if we can find a pair where we have the conditions met, right? Okay, so this is boom 500. Unfortunately, we are going okay. The market is in an uptrend, so one can easily catch spikes here. So how do you do this? You have your setup, you have your moving averages ready. All right, you know your area of interest, you know where the market is likely to reverse or continue and all of that. So how do you do this? How do you catch spikes? You simply allow the market to come to your area of interest, right? All right, so yeah, in this case, look at it, guys. Look at it. You see, when these two moving averages, right, the black and the red line crosses, when price crosses this two moving average, right, there's definitely going to be a spike to the upside, right? It's going to be a spike. It's going to be a spike. All right, it's going to be a spike. Like in this case here, you can see, and this is on the 4-hour time frame. This strategy works perfectly on a 30 minutes time frame, guys. All right, so but you want to make sure that the market is in an uptrend for boom, so that you can catch spikes. So what do? You basically just allow the market to cross, like in this case here. You see, the price crosses over these two moving averages, and then there was a spike to the upside. All right, see this long spike, This could make you a lot of money, guys. This could make you a lot of money. All right, this could make you a lot of money, guys. So I'm gonna show you more examples. All right, this is another perfect example. This is another perfect example. Price comes, crosses over these moving averages, and then there was a spike to the upside, guys. All right, so you want to do this using your second zoom level. All right, you want to do this using your second zoom level. Guys, you can kill the market with this strategy. You can do the most with this strategy. I can go on and keep showing you how this works perfectly. This is another example. This is another example. All right, this is it. You see, market crosses over the moving averages here, and then boom, there was a spike. All right, imagine entering this market here. Imagine entering your trade here, and then it takes you all the way to the up. Guys, can make a lot of money from here. Trust me, guys, we are making a lot of money in the VIP group. We are making a lot of money. I have shown you guys how the group is, how we are making money. And good news, guys, it's my birthday in 2 days, so I'm giving massive discounts, 50% discount on VIP subscriptions, mentorship subscriptions. All right. It's very affordable. I'm giving 50% discount. Feel free to join the free group so that you can be updated on how we are running things there. So yep. All right, and this is it. This is another perfect example, guys. This is another one. All right, price crosses here, and then there was a spike to the upside. All right, this is another one. I can go up and keep showing you more. Right, this is it. This is another one. Price crosses the two moving averages here, and then it spikes to the upside. So rule number one, you want to make sure that on the higher time frame the market is in an uptrend if you want to catch spikes. All right, and then you move to 30 minutes time frame for this particular strategy, and then you look out for the market coming to you. You don't go to the market, guys. You don't rush the market. You don't run after the market. All right, you allow the market come to you, and then it comes to your area of interest. You take a buy, and you catch multiple spikes, and you're out. You make money like a pro. Trust me, you can make $200, $300, $400 every day, depending on how much you can sit down to focus on this. So I'll go to crash and show you how it works for crash. All right, and it works directly opposite for crash. All right, you want to catch spikes. You want to make sure that on the higher time frame, market is going downwards, right? You want to make sure it's on the downtrend, and you catch spikes. Look at it, guys. All right, so price crosses here, the moving average is here, it crosses here, and then what do you see? The spike all the way to the downside, guys. Imagine how much money you could make from this. So guys, feel free to join us. It's very important that you join us, because if you want to win, you have to join us. We are the winning team, guys. All right.